Hello everyone, in this video I will integrate mikrotik router with Cisco managed switch for configuring VLAN. Okay, let's start. I will set IP address on port 3 on mikrotik router for login. Okay, IP address. Yeah, we already set IP address on port 3. Now let's log into mikrotik router. Okay, we create two VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, we will create VLAN on port 2 because it is connected to core switch on port 2 for mikrotik router. We create VLAN. It is on Ethernet 2 VLAN 10. VLAN 20. Okay, we already create VLAN. Now let us assign the IP address for VLAN. This one we select VLAN 10. IP address for VLAN 20. Okay, and then we assign DHCP. We create DHCP server for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Really IP from 11 to 254. DNS. Okay, we use Google DNS first because we not yet configure the internet for mikrotik router. Okay, another one, vlan 20. Okay, we already set up the HP server. Now let's go to our client. If it can connect, it can receive IP or not. PC1 is vlan 10. Let's check the IP address. Yeah, correct. PC2 in vlan 20. Yeah, PC2 already get the IP as well. This vlan 20. Okay, this is PC3 in vlan 10. Okay, client can get the IP already. Now for this one we will start later because it will make the process slow. Okay, now after we finish the DHCP server configuration, we complete the mikrotik tool, that is the office router, to access the internet first. Okay, and for mikrotik 1, this is the internet service provider. This provide internet to mikrotik router 2. Okay, now let's configure the PPPoE client to make the router access the internet. Go PPPoE client, and this is, we can rename or we can keep OE1. And for interface, we go over diagram. It is E0, that is port 1, so it correct. We choose this is must correspond to the port that connect to the ISP. It is in the 1. And the username we get from username and password we get from ISP. Okay, and this one, when we check the default route, it will automatically create for us, but I will also to add manually, right? So I uncheck it. Okay, let's check if our router can get internet or not. This little bit check is my router working or not. We can ping to 8.8.8. Okay, we need to add route more. Gateway PPUE1 that we set few minutes ago. Okay, already at the route. Okay, let's check again. In Google. Yeah, our router can access internet now. We can go check the IP address. If our router port, this one can get IP. Yeah, it can get internet. It can get IP, so our testing the internet is correct. Okay, we finished for the internet config for router, but our PCs still cannot get internet because we not yet allow it for internet yet. Cannot. Okay, now let's continue config internet for our client. We go to FortiGate and then we go to NAT. We add the MAC it's the MAC this one to allow all the connection in the router can access the internet. Okay, let's check again for our PC. Yeah, our PC can get internet now. PC 2. Yeah. Okay. Now we go to the Windows 8. Windows 8 is in VLAN 20. We check the IP address of the Windows 8 and the internet access as well. Okay, this is PC3 also check the internet. Yeah, all the client can access internet now. And now let we ping different VLAN. I will ping from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 and ping from VLAN 20 to VLAN 10. Okay, this is the PC2 that is in VLAN 20, and this is the IP address of the PC2. Let's ping from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Yeah, we can do inter-VLAN routing now. PC1 10.254 ping from VLAN 20 to VLAN 10. Yeah, it can ping back. Okay, now the last one that we check is the internet on Windows 8. This is VLAN 20. Yeah, Windows 8 also can get the IP address, this IP address 20.253, and it can get access internet also. You can see the icon here. Okay, let's ping to Facebook. Yeah. Okay. Our configuration is successfully now.